Before we get started, I want to be clear. Everything on this channel is for informational and personal growth purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice. Since the close last Friday, IREN energy has surged about $10. That's roughly a 20% increase in just 2 trading days. If you are actively trading IREN or just looking for some high quality stocks to add to your watch list, then it's crucial that you understand moves like this. My name is Garrett Crow. I am a finance major at Washington State University and an active stock and ETF trader. In 2025, my portfolio had an annual ROI of 49%. When I first started this portfolio, I made it my goal to grow it to 7 figures. So if you do want to follow me on my 7 figure journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for daily short form stock analysis content, make sure you go check out my Instagram page and or TikTok. In today's video, I am going to be thoroughly dissecting IREN, specifically the recent news around the stock, what that news has done to the stock price, and then how I am currently playing IREN. Let's get into it. First, the news. Now, there has been a couple of key developments pushing the stock price to surge so significantly. Just yesterday, IREN announced the acquisition of Mirantis, a move aimed at strengthening its AI and infrastructure capabilities. This is significant because it positions the company more directly in the growing AI and cloud computing space. In addition to that, just 2 days ago, IREN announced the energization of Sweetwater 1 data center site in Texas. This is just another important step to scaling their infrastructure. Second, the stock price. Now, the stock price has been aggressive, to say the least. As of the close last Friday, IREN was priced at $44.79. Now, after the close on Tuesday, it was priced at $55.74, showing extreme growth in the stock. In fact, about 22% growth in the last 2 trading days. Now, the recent aggressive move to the upside was pretty evenly distributed between Monday and Tuesday. I believe the stock went up about 11% both days. Third, how am I playing the stock? So, IREN has been one of the most significant positions in my portfolio for quite some time. Right now, I believe it's about 10.5%, which is the fourth biggest position in my portfolio. Now, for the longest time, I was in the red on this stock. So, something I'm really focusing on is being incredibly disciplined with my exit. So yeah, I was in the red for quite a bit of time, and now I'm actually in the green by quite a bit. Currently, I believe the ROI on my investment is about 12.5%. Now, I don't want to get emotional and lose my consistency and exit just because I finally entered the green. For the longest time, an exit price I was looking at is around that $63 range. So that's where I'm looking to exit. Now, I'm not looking to exit my entire position because one, I like to sell stocks in the green in chunks. So I do like IREN, I do like it long term, and I do believe there's a lot of potential to the upside. So what I'm trying to do is dilute my position from about 10.5% to about 6% once we get near that $63 range. But right now, like I previously said, I'm really just trying to stay disciplined with this trade. When other traders, make a trade and it's in the red for quite some time, they like to just sell as soon as they hit the green because they feel like, okay, I didn't take a loss, whatever. That's not what I'm trying to do here. What I'm trying to do is trust in my credentials, trust in the company that I believe in. And after we get to that 63-ish dollar range, I believe I'll be at about in between a 25 and a 35% ROI, which is a significant trade. It's a significant profit. So that's really what I'm going for. In conclusion, this past trading week, IREN has surged due to very bullish news around the stock. The bullish news has translated directly into the price of the stock, being the stock is up about 20% in just 2 trading days. Once IREN gets to that $63 range, I am looking to dilute my holding from about 10% to about 6%. I really appreciate the ones who made it to the end of the video. If you did, make sure to comment down below green tree, and I'll make sure to like your comment. If you enjoyed, subscribe, and for daily short form stock analysis content, make sure you check out my Instagram and or TikTok. Thank you.